Hi folks, I'm back. Just want to do a little PSA. So I got this van here, right? This Toyota Sienna, that thing. And I had to replace the headlight. Just the regular low beam headlight. And everywhere in the world said it was going to be $100. Well, my band's called Chasing Rent. I don't has $100. So I went to Amazon and I got this. And I'm going to show a picture of what the replacement bulb looks like. And guess what? You can get 4 of them for $22 and a little bit of shipping. If you're on Amazon Prime, it comes in free. So save yourself some money. Go to HID Warehouse, get your bulb, and don't go to the other places that want to charge you $100. Unless you're a mechanic and you make your money doing that, and then go to that guy. We'll see you later. Thanks.